problems with dry skin and hair? This video can definitely help you. The Amazon rainforest has hundreds of exotic foods, some of which are gaining popularity elsewhere. One such tropical plant is Cupuaçu, a tree producing rich, delicious fruit. Cupuaçu, also known as Cupuaçu, is connected to the cacao tree. Its fruit is Brazil's national fruit, the world's largest Cupuaçu manufacturer. Ovular with brown rind and white, fleshy pulp. Usually used in desserts or pressed into juice. Here are 5 benefits of Cupuaçu fruit. 1. Keep hair soft and healthy. Cupuaçu is rich with saturated, monounsaturated fatty acids. Penetrate the hair shaft and restore hydration. One study treated dyed hair samples with butter Cupuaçu, argan oil, or traditional conditioner. Both Cupuaçu and argan products have significantly restored hair hydration, curbing protein loss. 2. Support healthy skin. Cupuaçu butter is rich in fat and an outstanding emollient. Its high fat content helps seal your skin's moisture to rehydrate, increase suppleness, and decrease signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. Its antioxidant content can protect your skin from harmful compounds such as UV radiation, environmental pollutants, and cigarette smoke. 3. Rich in antioxidants. Cupuaçu is rich in antioxidants and nutrients for your health. Its flavonoid antioxidants fight oxidative stress, high levels associated with inflammatory, obesity, and many other chronic conditions. The fruit is a great fiber source that supports gut health, boosts fullness feelings, and helps manage blood sugar. 4. Alternative to chocolate. Cupuaçu is from the cocoa family and can be processed as cocoa. It has naturally high fat content and sweetness. Energy bars, drinks, and other snacks can be added to make delicious treats. The powder may also be used in baking, but it does not work in sweetened cocoa powder recipes. 5. Beverage uses. Cupuaçu has a slightly acidic taste and chewy texture. However, finding outside of South America may be difficult as it is not commonly exported. Cupuaçu fruit or powder is used in desserts and smoothies. The raw fruit is sometimes pressed into a juice. You can use Cupuaçu butter as cooking fat. Due to its high oleic acid content, it has a soft texture and a butter-like melting point. As such, low to medium heat cooking such as pan or stir-frying is best. In conclusion, Cupuaçu is Brazil's nutrient-dense chocolate fruit. It's widely used in skin and hair products due to its high fat content. You can eat it raw and powder to desserts and smoothies, and use as cooking oil its butter. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you like help putting these cool ideas to work in your fitness journey, get in touch via the link below. We'd love to help you.